Does realizing the Dogelon Mars cost expectation interest you? For a great many people, the response to this question will be yes, since Dogelon Mars, in the same way as other image tokens, has acquired a great deal of prevalence among crypto holders in the beyond couple of months. With such a spike in its interest, individuals want to find out whether they will be a tycoon by putting a couple of dollars in such Dogelon Mars or not. The historical backdrop of image coins. Image coins are digital currencies aligned with specific topics, frequently humor and fun instead of specialized items and administrations. It very well may be from a web image or some tomfoolery character. Dogelon Mars elon coins are neither focused on innovation nor without any trace of basics. Image coins don't serve true use and have no down-to-earth utility like other digital currencies. Dogelon token is centered around networks and is local area driven. These are portrayed by low qualities and high course. The greater part of the Dogelon Mars elon is esteemed at a couple of pennies or a small portion of a penny. In view of the most recent information, a ton of image coins are available for use. Dogelon Mars elon appeared in WAC 2021. The very first image coin was named Dogecoin. It is a digital currency with the topic of Doge image. Kabasu K9 in Japan is the motivation behind the Doge image. It was made as fun against serious digital currencies. However, the ubiquity of Dogelon Mars elon has ultimately expanded. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are the most well-known among image coins and give fierce opposition to the crypto market. Dogecoin innovation was gotten from Litecoin, and SHIB is based on the blockchain of Ethereum. Dogecoin has 100 billion tokens available for use, and SHIB token has around 1 quadrillion tokens. There could be no appropriate consuming timetable and instrument for Dogelon Mars elon, so for $1 you can buy a large number of Dogelon Mars elon. Behind the historical backdrop of Dogelon Mars elon, a Shiba Inu K9 was highlighted in an image. The authentic information uncovers the name of the K9 as Kabasu. The discussion was filled with linguistic and spelling mistakes, which had ultimately become viral via virtual entertainment, and later it turned into the top image of the year. The word K9 was incorrectly spelled as Doge while it was coursed on the web. Afterward, two computer programmers, Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, made the Dogecoin to jab the seriously other crypto tokens available for use. From that point onward, markets saw a development in the posting of FLOKINU, Safe Mars, Dogelon Mars, Akita Inu, Samoyed Coin SAMU, Kishu Inu. A large portion of them have a similar example, yet they are from various networks. Squid Game is a token made that is roused by the Netflix show Squid Game. It flooded in one day, and some other time when the engineers had the floor covering pulled the following day. Costs plunged to close to 100%. Crypto holders who hold Squid couldn't sell the token. Dogelon Mars token doesn't have its blockchain, white paper, and a laid-out biological system. Aggregate jokes of the local area characterize the utilization cases or basics of these tokens. The insane reality about Dogelon Mars elon tokens is that financial backers have a ton of trust in the symbolic's worth since it has been put at a shallow worth. Consequently, a large portion of the crypto holders are misdirected by the Dogelon Mars value, that later on, it will hit $1 maximum capacity is still left, where they expect that this coin will likewise impact one day. This year, Shiba Inu overwhelmed the exchanged volume of Dogecoin. Elon Musk has of late tweeted a Chinese sonnet, and individuals began deciphering that tweet as alluding to Shiba Inu versus Dogecoin crypto spat. This made another shockwave in online entertainment. Merchants who were curious about Dogelon Mars elon tokens additionally began buying them. Such virtual entertainment publicity can't be anticipated like clockwork. It is much more eccentric than the unpredictability of the business sectors. Crypto holders can't expect every image coin will have long-haul acquiring potential. What makes elon special? Dogelon Mars, as expressed above, depends on a K9 topic, utilizes a silly interesting story of Dogelon, and is completely founded on dream. There are different brief tales set up on the site of Dogelon that notice the coin continuing on his undertakings to Mars, where he experiences more companion. The thought is to investigate the greatest riddles of the universe and endeavor to recolonize the planet with his different companion. Dogelon Mars mission. There is no fixed guide for the coin. In any case, the image coin is exceptionally popular, since the coin's importance is that once it battles for endurance against the annihilators and is recorded on major crypto trades, its worth will contact Mars. The coin is exceptionally memorable, with different characteristics in its name. In May 2021, the Dogelon Mars cost was raised to an end cost of $0. Dogelon Mars cost beat the Dogelon Mars cost forecasts and began climbing toward the finish of September 2021. Constantly 7-day stretch of October 2021, the Dogelon Mars elon cost had arrived at an excess of multiple times what it had begun the main day of the month. Dogelon Mars has given a decent return around then. The ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars ELON is around $0, with a complete market capitalization of $210,329,262. The flowing stock is 549-652-770-159-583 ELON, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,909,874. Dogelon Mars denoted a record-breaking high of $0 July 2021. Afterward, the ELON cost began amendment till the finish of the last year in the middle between steep cost variance. Notwithstanding, starting from the start of 2023, Dogelon Mars has turned around its value force and keeps on enlisting recuperation. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2023. In light of the Dogelon Mars Coin Cost Expectation 2023 and the ongoing cost activity, the typical cost of ELON tokens may be around $0. Toward the finish of 2023, the most extreme and least value levels of Dogelon Mars could stretch around $0 individually. Dogelon Mars Coin Value Forecast 2024 is per Dogelon Mars Cost Expectation 2024. The ELON token could arrive at a typical cost of $0. The base cost of Dogelon Mars could cross $0. Furthermore, in view of ELON cost expectation, the token could raise a ruckus around town worth of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2025. In light of Dogelon Mars Coin Cost Expectation 2025, the coin is expected to begin the year around $0. The Dogelon Mars could arrive at a greatest cost of $0, while the base value level may be around $0 the finish of 2025. Thus, according to our ELON cost expectation, Dogelon Mars will be a wise speculation choice for a more extended time frame outline. Dogelon Mars Expectation 2026. The ELON cost expectations predict starting at $0, and an inevitable increment is normal for what's in store. Dogelon Mars has a lot of hazard due to its inflationary nature, according to the past information. As per our Dogelon Mars Cost Forecast 2026, the base cost assessed is to reach $0, while on the potential gain, the greatest value level could hit $0. Dogelon Mars Estimate 2027. Dogelon Mars Forecast predicts a greatest cost of ELON tokens around $0 the year's over. The typical cost stays at $0. The Dogelon Mars Expectation 2027 recommends the future cost of Dogelon Mars will rise dramatically. Dogelon Mars Coin Expectation 2028. By the start of 2028, the Dogelon Mars figure guesses that the cost of Dogelon Mars will reach $0. The base and greatest costs could cross $0 individually. Dogelon Mars Gauge 2029. Out of 2029, Dogelon Mars value forecasts are supposed to cross the $0 cost level. As indicated by the Dogelon Mars Gauge, the base and most extreme value levels may be around $0 the finish of 2029. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2030. Dogelon Mars Coin Cost Forecast 2030 ventures that the Dogelon Mars ELON cost will reach $0. Further, the normal cost will be around $0, with the most extreme exchanging cost of Dogelon Mars coming to $0.